This is a new AeroPress Premium, made from glass, stainless steel, and aluminum. This AeroPress is premium in every sense of the word. Even as you unbox it, you know the product is a step above. They've kept the iconic hexagon box design, but elevated everything. The box truly leads the way with a feeling of quality, with its sturdy design and unique clamshell opening. I mean, even little decisions like the barcode were considered. Here are some of my favorite things about this beautiful new AeroPress. First up, the quality of the materials. This product is handmade of glass, steel, and aluminum. It's hefty, weighing in at over 2 pounds, with the stainless steel cap alone weighing 128 grams. Next, let's talk about the body of the AeroPress. Made from the same materials they use for high-end science equipment, the double-walled borosilicate glass chamber is as beautiful as it is heat-resistant, so while you brew, the glass is still cool to the touch. It even has the classic AeroPress numbers laser etched onto it. The plunger that fits is made of aluminum and has a wonderful substantial feel as you press down through the glass chamber. Even the scoop and stir have an elevated feel by being made of stainless steel, and I love that the cap works with existing AeroPress filters or their stainless steel filters if you really want to flex that metal vibe. The Premium is the AeroPress the community has been asking AeroPress to make for years, and they did not disappoint. I believe the quality of materials and elevated brewing experience make the Premium worth the higher price. Now, enough talk about it, let's make some coffee with it. Today I'm brewing my go-to AeroPress recipe using potentially the most exclusive coffee I'll drink all year with this #1 ranked lot from the Best of Yemen auction. A premium AeroPress deserves to be used with a premium coffee. Check out how stable and elegant it looks as you use it. It works just like the other AeroPress brewers and is ready in about 2 minutes with a final cup sharing the perfect mix of the full body of a French press, smoothness of a pour over, and richness of espresso. It's delicious. And when we're finished, it makes an incredible counter statement with the organizer designed specifically to showcase the Premium, but also works with other AeroPress brewers. My counter space is limited, but the AeroPress is not only compact, but totally elevates the entire coffee station. Cheers.